Hello everyone, this is Medical Minion with the second video of Physiology. In the first video I have told you about that cell is the basic unit of life and our whole body is made up of cells. There are about 100 trillions of cells that makes up the body and is the building block of that. Our body is a coordinate solution. About 60% of our body's weight is fluid, mainly water solution with ions and other substances. This 60% is subdivided into intracellular fluid and extracellular fluid. Intracellular fluid is 2/3 of the 60% and extracellular fluid is about 1/3 of the 60%. So supposing your weight is 100 kg, then the water solution will be 60 liter and intercellular would be 40 as it is 2/3 of the 60 liter and extracellular fluid ECF is the rest of the 60%, that is 20 liter. Now let's look the extracellular fluid, that is ECF. ECF is a water solution that includes iron, nutrients, oxygen and waste products. Ions mainly include sodium, chloride, bicarbonate ions, and nutrients include amino acid, fatty acid and glucose. Ammonium acid are the building block of protein, fatty acids of fats and glucose of carbs. The waste product includes CO2, that is carbon dioxide, that is excreted out of the body through lungs, and the waste product, that is garbage, that is excreted in the form of urine with the help of kidneys. The extracellular fluid is considered as the internal environment of the body, as it is present everywhere in the body and your cells literally live in the extracellular fluid. The extracellular fluid circulates in the body with the blood. It comes from the heart to the vessel called arteries. Then from arteries it goes into capillaries, and inside the capillaries they exchange the products with the tissue, that is aggregates of cells, by the help of diffusion. And then from the capillaries it goes into a vessel called vein, and this circulation takes place continuously, and this is called as the extracellular fluid circulation. The basic thing is that this ECF is in the constant motion throughout the body, and it is rapidly in circulation blood and then mixed between the blood and tissue fluid by diffusion through the capillaries wall. In ECF, ions and nutrients are present that are required by the cell to maintain the life. So thus all cells live in essentially a same environment, that is extracellular fluid, and for this reason the extracellular fluid is considered as the internal environment. Now let's look into the intercellular fluid, that is ICF. So the intercellular fluid includes ions like potassium, magnesium and phosphate instead of sodium and chloride ions. Now I'm not saying that sodium and chloride are not found inside the cell, or potassium and magnesium and phosphates are not found outside the cell, but I'm saying that the concentration of sodium and chloride is more outside the cell, not inside the cell. And similar with the potassium and magnesium, that these ions are found intracellularly more, not extracellularly. So the ECF contains a large amount of sodium but only small amount of potassium, as well as ECF contains a large amount of chloride ions, and ICF contain very small amount of sodium and chloride ions. However, the concentration of potassium and proteins in the intercellular fluid is considerably greater than those of extracellular fluid, and this difference is extremely important for the maintenance of life, and this ions move in and out for maintaining the life. Stay tuned for another video where I will be talking about homeostasis, and thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you like the video, comment, share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel, and do follow me on Instagram @medicalminion for short tricks and notes.